Good morning everyone. Today we are continuing with the 14th lesson of Social Studies of Class 3. The name of the lesson is Our Metropolitan Cities Part 2 Mumbai. In the previous class we have studied about the name of 4 metropolitan cities. Which are they? They are New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. And also we have studied about our national capital New Delhi in detail. In this session, you are going to learn about the next important metropolitan city of our country, that is Mumbai. Then earlier, Mumbai was known as Bombay. Mumbai was known as Bombay till 1995. What is the new name of Bombay? Mumbai. Mumbai is the new name of Bombay. And it is the capital city of state Maharashtra. You have already studied that Mumbai is the capital of the state of Maharashtra. And it is one of the greatest commercial center in India. Mumbai is one of the greatest commercial center in India. The word commercial center means business center. So, Mumbai is also called financial capital of India. Why Mumbai is called financial capital of India? Mumbai is called financial capital of India because Mumbai is one of the largest commercial center in India. Then, how many states are there in India? 28. Already you have studied that there are 28 states in India. And also you have studied that in each state it has its own capital city. And in each state there is a governor, the chief minister and other ministers. They live and work in Mumbai. So the governor, the chief minister and other ministers of Maharashtra state live in Mumbai. Then let's see where is Mumbai situated. Mumbai is situated on the west coast of India facing the Arabian Sea. Where is Mumbai situated? Mumbai is situated near the Arabian Sea. And it is an important seaport. That is Mumbai port. Already I have explained about port. Let us understand the term port. Can you tell what is a port? A port is a place or city where ships load or unload goods. A port is a city or a place where ships load and unload goods like different food products, machineries, vehicles, food grains like wheat, rice, etc. Do you know, children? Mumbai port is one of the largest port in India. And goods are exported and imported by ships through this port. Now let us understand these two terms, export and import. The exporting is sending goods to another country for sale, and importing is bringing or purchasing goods to a country from other country. Once again, what is the difference between export and import? Exporting means sending goods to other country for sale, and importing means bringing or purchasing goods to a country from other country. And Mumbai city is covered with coconut palms. Palm means a type of tree. Mumbai has a lot of coconut trees, and there are many factories situated in this beautiful city. And Mumbai is famous for its textile mills. Then what is Mumbai famous for? Mumbai is famous for its textile mills. The next one is Mumbai High. The Mumbai High is an important place in Mumbai. Then what is the importance of Mumbai High? Mumbai High is an important place near Mumbai. Then now let us understand the term coast. Coast is a land near the sea or an ocean. What do you mean by coast? Coast is a is an area of land that lies near to sea or an ocean. Crude oil or unpurified petroleum is taken out from the seabed near the coast in Mumbai High. Crude oil or unpurified petroleum is taken out from the seabed. Seabed means bottom or floor of the sea. That is near the sea coast in Mumbai High. Then, do you know we cannot use this crude oil directly because it has lot of impurities or unwanted elements. So, we have to purify this crude oil in refineries. By purifying this crude oil or unpurified petroleum in refineries, we get useful products like petrol, diesel, gas and kerosene. Which are the products that we get from crude oil? We get useful products like petrol, diesel, gas and kerosene from the crude oil. And India's first atomic plant called Baba Atomic Center is situated at Trombay, which is near Mumbai. Name the first atomic plant in Mumbai, in India, that is Baba Atomic Research Center or BARC. The full form of BARC is Baba Atomic Research Center. People of Mumbai speak Marathi, Hindi and English. And the main language of the people of Maharashtra is Marathi. The majority of the people in Mumbai speak Marathi. The people from different parts of our country and also from other countries live in Mumbai. Next, let us discuss the climate of Mumbai. The climate of Mumbai is warm and humid in summer. Humid means air having a lot of water vapor. Humid means air having lot of water vapor. The places near to coast. In the beginning I have told Mumbai is situated near the Arabian Sea. So the places that situated near the coast having humid climate. Then the winters are not cold but pleasant. That means not very hot or not very cold. And Mumbai receives heavy rainfall between June and September. What is the climate of Mumbai? The climate of Mumbai is warm and humid in summer and winters are not hot but pleasant. Mumbai receives heavy rainfall between June and September. Now let us have a look on some important places tourist interest in Mumbai. The first one is Gateway of India. The Gateway of India is the biggest landmark in Mumbai. Landmark means important place. The Gateway of India is one of the important place in Mumbai. That's why thousands of tourists visit this place every year. And the statues of Swami Vivekananda and Shivaji are situated near the Gateway of India. Then, now let us discuss some other interesting places in Mumbai. The first one is the Kamala Nehru Park. The Kamala Nehru Park is a famous park which is situated in Mumbai, which attracts children and tourists from different parts of our country. The second place is Taraporewala Aquarium. It is an oldest Indian aquarium and which is situated on Marine Drive in Mumbai. What is the speciality of Taraporewala Aquarium? It is the oldest aquarium in India. Then the next one is Isle World. Isle World is India's largest amusement theme park. Name the largest amusement theme park in India? Isle World. Then another important tourist attraction is Jahangir Art Gallery. Then the next place is Marine Drive. It is a beautiful place in Mumbai. The Marine Drive is officially known as Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Road and it runs along the shore of the Arabian Sea. You can see the picture of Marine Drive in your textbook on page number 68. At night, The lights shine on the Marine Drive in the shape of a necklace. This stretch is famous by the name of Queen's Necklace. Then another attraction of Mumbai is the Elephanta Caves, which is close to Mumbai. It is famous for many rock-cut caves. Elephanta Caves are famous for many rock-cut caves. Which are the important tourist interests in Mumbai? They are the Kamala Nehru Park, Tarapore Aquarium, Tarapore Valley Aquarium, Isle World, Jahangir Art Gallery, Marine Drive and the Elephanta Caves. Then in your textbook on page number 69, you can see the picture of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. It is also known as CST. The full form of CST is Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. And it is one of the busiest railway station in India. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is one of the busiest railway station in India. Now we have completed this part. I hope you all understood about Mumbai very well. Read the textbook and complete the notes. If you are having any doubt, contact me. See you in the next class.